Good day everyone, welcome back to Isa Digital. As you all know, my name is Manuel Akile and I'm a lover of Christ. Today's video is going to be a very quick one in which I show you how to create a clay render with Blender 3.4. It's going to be a very quick and easy tutorial, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so guys, I have a very basic scene set up here in Blender with like a bridge and a car. And by the way, these assets are not mine. They're all gotten from the Blender kit add-on I have installed, and you get the same assets if you install them, so you can just download the Blender kit add-on. So for us to get our clay render, we're going to first create a plane. I'm just going to do Shift A, which is going to add a plane. We don't necessarily need this plane for our scene. This plane is just, we're just going to use this plane for our material. So we're going to come to our material tab. I'm going to create a new material. We're going to name that material clay, and I just want to give this I want to make this material have sort of a yellowish tint to it, something like this, something like so. Then for us to apply the clay render to our scene, we're going to have to come into our layers tab, and when you scroll down, because you know layers tab it will open like this, when you scroll down you see override. You're going to come down here to material override. You're going to search for the clay material we just created, clay. Sorry. And that's it. That's basically it. If I was just coming to rendered view right now, you see that our clay material has been applied to our entire scene, so it gives our entire scene sort of like a clay. It makes everything look like it was made from clay. Let's just give Blender a minute to work its magic. And there you go, guys. That's it for today's tutorial. If you want more short form content like this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. Also, not forget to leave a comment down below this video. Remember, Jesus loves you. Peace.